Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I have been so excited to do this video for you because we are going to be talking about blazers. They are everywhere right now. They are so on point and they can be a little bit intimidating. So I wanted to show you 4 different ways to style blazers, 4 different looks that's really going to help you elevate your blazer game. The first one I want to talk about is this J.Crew wool houndstooth jacket. It has a couple of little brass buttons here. It has some really fun interest on the elbows, a little corduroy, and then it's 4 little brassy buttons. It's got a couple of pockets on the front so you can stash your cell phone and your lipsticks. And then I pair it with a studded chambray denim shirt, which is really cute. It's kind of an unexpected little pop, but I think this just makes that wool jacket a little bit kind of edgier, I guess. And then I pair it with these high-waisted, these are my Good American jeans, just high-waisted dark wash jeans, and they're skinny jeans. They're not distressed, although you can wear a distressed jean if you like, or a lighter colored wash. Denim on denim is always on point too. It's a look that I love. And then I would just finish this look with just a pair of nude heels. I feel like it really pulls the whole look together. So this next look that I want to show you is also by J.Crew. This is that really rich, beautiful camel color that's so popular right now. And it has same 2 little buttons here that are brass. I think that's kind of a classic look for J.Crew. And 4 little buttons here. But when I'm wearing this blazer, I feel like I always need something that will kind of make a statement. So I'll show you the 2 things that I really like. One is just this simple ribbed tank top. And this one is by Spanx, but it's really soft and it's really comfortable to wear underneath a blazer. But here's the kicker. Here are the jeans that I love to wear with this. So these are just my Veronica beard high-waisted tuxedo jeans, and they just have this really cool statement tuxedo stripe down the side. And I think that when you pair this with just a very simple blazer, it is super stylish and very much on point. And I would just pair it with a black pump. You don't have to do a black pump. You can do whatever you prefer, but I love a black pump all day long, especially with that black tuxedo stripe. So this next look is a velvet blazer, and this blazer is by White House Black Market. It's in that really popular pink color right now. I believe this one's called Winter Blossom, but this jacket is very fitted. It has a little bit of padding here on the shoulders, but not too much. It's not too bulky. It has 1 little button here in the front and 4 silver buttons on the bottom. So when I'm wearing this statement blazer, I like to keep the rest of my outfit really muted and clean, and so I like to pair it with this White House Black Market little cami that has a little bit of lace detail here. And then I put it with my Rag & Bone skinny jeans, and I just feel like it really kind of elongates my legs, and my jeans have these little raw edges on the bottom too, so I think that's really cute. And then just to keep that same black sleek tone, I just pair it with my pumps too. Black pumps. So this last blazer is very basic. It's just a black blazer from Banana Republic, and I'm sure you all have a black blazer in your closet too, but there's so much that you can do with this and so much versatility, and I want to show you how I kind of mix things up and make it a little more unique. I put this little tank underneath this little cami. It's from Target. It's that brand A New Day, but just a little lace cami in that dusty rose pink, and then I play up the pants. These are my velvet toothpick high-waisted jeans from J.Crew, and I feel like this really elevates the outfit. It's just a lot of really unexpected tones and textures and colors, and then I just finished this too with a black pump. So that is it for my quick tutorial on how to style a blazer. I hope that you liked this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, shame on you. You should totally subscribe. It's free. But if you haven't subscribed, I really, in all seriousness, would love and appreciate it. So thank you guys again so much for your time, and we'll talk again soon.